Hi guys, today I will be explaining about how to run ads on TikTok. This process is really simple and really easy. But for this we will not use the official app of TikTok because we will do it in TikTok Ads Manager. So that's why open your computer browser and in the search bar search for TikTok Ads Manager. And on the first number you can see the official website of TikTok with TikTok Ads Manager. Just tap on it to get access. Now tap on this option Get Started. The first thing you have to do is sign in with your TikTok account. If you want to sign in, then tap on this option Sign up with TikTok, then you can sign in with your TikTok account. Then the next interface will be like this. After signing in my account, here you can see the interface of Ads Manager. And take a look on the right top, you can see the option Create an Ad. Just tap on it and then you can create ad on TikTok and also can run it on TikTok. And it was way by which you can do it easily and quickly.